Okay, guys, today in math, I'm going to show you how to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism when you have an L shape like this. And what you want to do, this is just an irregular rectangular prism with two rectangular prisms in one. So what you want to do is you want to divide it, say right here. And when you do that, then you're going to have two rectangular prisms. You're going to have rectangular prism 1 and rectangular prism 2. And so you're going to have to calculate the length times the width times the height of both of these. So now since I've split this one, it's no longer 12. You want to calculate what this length right here is. In order to do that, you know that this length is 8 inches and the total right here of both is 12. So you just want to go 12 minus 8 equals 4. So that will give you this new length of 4. So I'm going to plug that in, 4. And then you want to get the height. The height, we already know, is 10. So we'll plug that in there. And we want to get this depth here, which we'll call the width. And the depth is the same for all of this figure. Can you find the depth on here? It's 2. It's right there. See, it's the same. It's 2. So when we plug that in, we have 4 times 2 times 10, which would be 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 10 equals, yes, 80. So that's just for figure 1, 80. And remember, we're doing this in cubes. So everything in volume is in cubes. So that's cubic inches. All right, now we have to get the volume of this shape. So the length we already know, if you'll look at the top, is 8. So we'll plug that in, 8. We know that the depth or the width is 2. So we're going to plug that in. And now the height is going to be different. We know that the height of the total side over here is, yes, 10. And we know that this short height is what? 3. So we're going to plug 3 in. So let's do this calculation real quick. I'll give you a second to figure it out. You know, 16 times 3. 3 times 6, 18. Hope you're not forgetting your timetables. You need to be practicing every day. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So that's 48. Now you just add these two together. So the volume over here is 48 cubic inches. So we'll put our little 3 there. So you have 80 and 48. And when you add those together, you get 128 inches cubed. So your volume for this figure is 128 inches cubed. That is how you can determine the volume for two rectangular prisms that are connected as one.